Today I'm going to share a small but very useful free tool for Vivo phone technicians and mobile repair users. If you have repaired Vivo phones before, you may have faced a strange notification problem. The phone works perfectly, network is fine, but an annoying notification keeps appearing again and again. Even after flashing new software, the notification sometimes refuses to go away. This is where TMT ADB Tool V1.0 2026 becomes useful. This tool was shared by the Technici Musafir channel, and it is completely free. No login, no activation, and no paid features. The tool uses ADB to connect to the phone and sends simple commands to remove the notification. It is lightweight and does not require extra programs to run. It has been tested mainly on Vivo Y30 and Y30i. Some users also reported positive results on Vivo Y12 and Y91, but results may vary depending on the model. Apart from fixing the Vivo notification issue, the tool also includes extra features. You can disable OTA updates on Samsung devices, which helps prevent unwanted system updates. The tool also provides one-click reboot options. You can reboot to system, recovery, fast boot, download mode, EDL mode, and more. To use the tool correctly, USB debugging must be enabled on the phone. Developer options should be active, and USB debugging must be turned on. When connecting the phone to the PC, always select Transfer Files or MTP mode. Do not leave it on Charge Only mode. If the phone asks for USB debugging permission, allow it and select Always Allow. Once the device is detected, click Fix Notification Vivo and wait until the process is completed. After that, reboot the phone. Rebooting is mandatory for the fix to work properly. Once the phone restarts, the notification problem should be gone. This tool is designed for software-related notification issues only. It will not fix hardware problems. A simple tool, a simple purpose, and very useful when needed. Thanks for watching.